Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this high ponytail that is also moving on Dress to Impress. I might change the y-axis on this a little bit just to make it higher. There we go. Don't look at it from the back though, because it doesn't look the best, and I forgot to make the hair the same color. There we go. Wait, did I make everything black or this color? You know what? I'm gonna just choose this. Anyways, to start, we are going to go to the hair salon and we are going to use this hair for the base, which I've already done. Then for the the animated ponytail, you are going to use this one. You're going to select the more animated toggle. As you can see, for the adjustments for the position, I did X at 0.5, Y at 0.71, and Z at 0.84. The rotation, I didn't do anything, and for the scale, I did 0.06. Then for the scrunchie, the hair, I forgot what it's called, hairband, I don't know. I used this headband, and for the accessory adjustment, I did scale on 0, position Y at 0.64, Z at 0.69, and I did not rotate it. And that is how you can basically create this waving animated hair on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!